Virat Kohli was born on November 5, 1988, in Delhi, India. He developed a passion for cricket from a young age and began his training at the West Delhi Cricket Academy. His talent and dedication quickly became evident as he excelled in junior-level cricket. Kohli made his international debut for the Indian cricket team in August 2008 during a tour of Sri Lanka. He showcased his potential as a talented batsman, displaying remarkable consistency and technique. Over time, he cemented his place in the Indian team across all formats of the game. In 2011, Kohli experienced a personal tragedy when his father passed away. Despite the emotional setback, he displayed immense strength and continued to excel in his cricketing career. He dedicated many of his subsequent achievements to his late father. In 2017, Kohli took over as the captain of the Indian cricket team in all formats. Under his leadership, the team achieved several significant victories, including India's first-ever Test series win in Australia during the 2018-2019 season.